science is based on the idea of materialism, that matter is the ground of all being, so well established, everybody is supporting it. How can we fit these things like spirituality, creativity within that science? Matter consists of possibilities. Matter consists of possibilities. Is it that consciousness, creativity, spirituality, all these things exist, but they exist as an epiphenomenon of matter? No, it's consciousness really is the ground of being, and somehow all this material universe and the success of material science somehow must fit into that. It is easy to comprehend, easy to understand within science, within your heart, within your experiences, a complete integration of this wonderful idea that consciousness is the ground of being. What quantum physics says from the get-go, there is a fundamental incompleteness in the way that the material world is built. Quantum physics is a physics of possibilities which squarely declares that matter, material objects consist of possibilities. They're not things already. We cannot talk about a table or a chair or a building, even a planet, as being there already. Just the possibility is there. And the question is, what makes possibilities into actual events of experience? So objects are possibilities. It is our observation, it is our experiencing it that somehow converts possibilities into actual events.
The choice happens in a consciousness which we call non-local, kind of potential oneness of everything. So, or you can put it as an interconnection of everything. So in that connected consciousness, we choose.
We don't have to think dualistically, internal and external, as separate. Not like that. They are all internal experiences of consciousness.
Objects are possibilities for consciousness to choose from.
So even when I'm speaking from this podium and it seems very stationary, if you really had a laser beam to find out its position, and you measure it, and then you close your eyes, and then open your eyes, within that split second, this center of mass of this podium will move just a little bit, 10 to the minus 17 centimeters or something like that. So things move because of quantum uncertainty. Possibility waves exist as possibility waves, but they move so sluggishly that for all practical purposes, we always collapse them in the same place, and therefore they seem like we are sharing them in a public way. You are collapsing this podium in the same place as I am collapsing. Actually, between your collapse and my collapse, they do move a little bit, but we cannot perceive it. People were very gung-ho in the 70s for a while. They tried to create their own reality in the form of a great car, great house, stuff like that. And never worked. But quantum physics does have an aspect which is choice. Quantum physics really is saying that we choose from a consciousness where everyone is one. Yes, we choose our own reality, but we don't choose from the ego, we choose from a deepest level of consciousness where we, you and I, and everybody is one. It is sort of, in the old-fashioned way of saying, betting God on your side.